Alright, the assignment is 3.1, questions 19 through 29. As you can see, 19 through 22 are identify the degree of the polynomial. Then you're supposed to rewrite each polynomial in standard form, meaning going from highest to lowest. Okay? And then you're going to name them. Okay, so this is where we learn about, is it a trinomial? Is it a binomial? Is it a monomial? Okay? Remember, a monomial has one piece. A trinomial has three pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 terms. Okay? A binomial will have 2 pieces. There's not one on this page, but if I were to, oh, here we go. If you look at this 17 right here, this is a binomial because there's 2 terms. Okay? This would be considered a third degree binomial because the degree is a 3. The highest degree is a 3. The exponent, right? What else could we call that besides a third degree polynomial? What do we should know that name? X to the third power. So cubic, say it out loud. Come on, people. Cubic, okay? A cubic binomial, okay? So you have, a couple of new words they're going to learn today is quartic and quintic, okay? So you have constant, and you have, which is a monomial, but just a number, right? X to the 0 power. You have linear, that we know of, right? X to the first power. Quadratic, x to the second power. Okay? Quadratic, cubic, x to the third power. Quartic. Quartic is x to the fourth power. Quartic. Quartic. Okay? And then quintic. Quin meaning 5. Quintic. It's like the quintuplets. Quintic. Okay? 5. That's x to the 5th. So this is x to the 4th. This is x to the 5th. Okay? Now it could be a binomial, monomial, trinomial, or what do we call this? It's called a polynomial, right? Anything more than 3 pieces is going to be poly. Okay, so we know right now that's a polynomial. Okay? We know right now that's a trinomial. We know right now that's a trinomial. We know right now that's a polynomial. Okay? So let's do this real quick. You should have stuff written down right now. I beg to differ that any of you do. Okay? If you're going to get ready for college, there's one thing you better learn. You better learn quick. Okay? When that teacher speaks, you write. You can't write if you don't have paper. You can't write if you don't have a pencil. Okay? So, let's change this behavior this quarter. I want to make sure that all of you are on this. Because without notes, you're screwed. Literally. Good luck. You guys seen this test at the beginning of the year, right? You've seen this test. You could not do it. I'm going to make sure you can do it. But if you don't have the notes, you're going to be just a little better than you were at the beginning of the year. Okay? You need to not just pay attention. You need to take notes. And it's your notes. You need to put in your words. When the teacher or professor or whoever you're watching, okay, is telling you that this is a polynomial, you should be writing down. Polynomial has more than 3 terms. Right? How many wrote that down? Good. We got 2 people getting ready for college then. The rest of you suck. Pick it up. I'm just saying how it is. We got to fix this. Okay? We got to. You're the students I want to go to college. Alright? You're the students I want to get ready. Okay? So it's up to you to get yourself ready. Let's do this. All right. This first one, how many pieces? One, right? One piece, so it's what? It's a monomial, right? Well, they already told us identify the degree of the monomial. So, luckily, we know it's a monomial to begin with. But just in case, I'm going to write it just for fun. Okay? But what is it? What degree is it? 8. Right? 8th degree monomial. So you could just go like this. 8th degree monomial. Okay? It's that easy. It is that easy. I swear to you. This isn't hard. But this will be on that SBAC. And I guarantee you students last year missed it. And there's no reason.
Is there like a formula for this?
The formula is you figure out how many terms they are, you name it, you figure out what the highest degree is, and you speak it. That's it. I don't know what else to say to you. Okay? So with this one, this is the hardest one out there. I guarantee you. Because it's invisible. Right? What's the degree of the polynomial? No. 0. Okay? This is the one that people will mistake for 1. Right? Because it has a term, but it's not x to the 1, it's x to the 0. Right? X to the 1 would be an x. What's x to the 1 would be an x. Right? So, x to the 1 would be a 1. That'd be a 1, right? But, x to the 1 would be an x. X to the 0 would be a 1. So, there's no x here. So, there's no x here. Does that make sense? Yeah. Kind of remember it that way. There's 0 x's there. There's 0 x's there. Okay, so this is 0 degree polynomial. Or actually monomial. Okay? A 0th degree, I guess, polynomial. Alright? Now the rest of these, you have to put in order first. They say, okay, put in order. Order just means you take the highest exponent and put it first. Right? This is actually something that you can teach pretty much anyone. I guarantee, give me enough time, I can teach Lily this. I guarantee it. Because she knows that 4 is bigger than 3, right? So, as long as she knows that this is bigger than this, the hard part for her is to know that this would be a 1. She's 5. Come on, give her a break, right? Okay? But, you guys should realize by now that this is an invisible 1, right? And so I just put these in order. 4, 3, there's an invisible plus sign. 3, 2, 1. Okay? And the sign goes with it. Notice this sign, this sign, this sign, and this sign all goes with it. Okay? After that, I recognize that it's a 4th degree, right? 4th degree. And then I go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces means it's a polynomial. Okay? A 4th degree polynomial. Okay? Now, this next one. We've got 3, 1, and none. It's already in order. Right? This is already in order. So I don't have to change it. I just have to name it. So what do I name it? Yeah, 3rd degree. Now, you can go 3rd degree trinomial, right? Because that's how many pieces there are. 1, 2, 3 pieces, trinomial, like a tricycle, right? Or you could call it what? What should we be calling this? What? Come on, someone. I'm not going until someone says it. Come on, third degree. Power of 3. Cubic, thank you. Come on. This should be in our sleep by now. You should be dreaming about this. Okay? Cubic trinomial. This should be the easiest thing to us. Cubic, right? Cubic, quadratic, linear, constant, right? What is this called? What's another name for this? Instead of 0th degree, what could we call it?
Constant.
That's it. It's a constant monomial. Okay? It's a constant. It's not a linear. It is linear, right? But we don't call it linear, right? We call it constant. Okay? It's a constant monomial. Questions?